whether it's the Dells or the tablets, whoever, we got to be able to tell them, you need to come out and start supporting 5G. If we don't push them, they're the ones that's got to start making devices be supportable in 5G. And that's when we get better. And so I think we're stronger as a community. Cargill has a great voice with them because of the amount of locations we have. But we have to work together to push the OEMs into more devices being on 5G. I truly believe that 5G can become the manufacturing standard for out in plant, and the devices are going to be the tipping scale of that. No matter what the manufacturer is, the 5G equipment is there to go out and cover these vast areas. What we need is we got to have about 10 times the amount of devices we have now. And it's on us as a community, people on this call listening, to band together to push manufacturers. Companies like Dell and HP and others aren't moving fast enough, in my opinion. Samsung is very consumer focused, and so that's why I feel like Samsung's not there. I feel the same about Dell. Dell is more consumer facing in admin type laptops, and they're not worried about manufacturing floor, in my opinion. If Dell's on the call, I'm sorry, but that's my opinion of it. The difference in that is 12, 13 months ago, I was at an event and Apple was there, and I was approached by Apple manufacturing leader, and I'm like, wow, I didn't know Apple even had a manufacturing arm. And so I talked to him quite a bit, and Apple has a manufacturing division. I have not found an Apple device yet that will not connect to 5G. And I think that is, I would take an Apple device hands down anytime. We have had great luck with every Apple device. If I was held hostage and said, what device, you have to connect the device to 5G, Robert, and you're going to pick one out of a box, and there was an Apple box, I would go pick the Apple box, and because I'm pretty sure I could get it on. But that's my thing. In tablets or scan guns, we lean towards the ones that are more manufacturing based than consumer facing.